Okay, this is how we set up the balance. Simply put this in front, right? This one. This is the marker. Press through this hole. Yeah. This way. And what you need is just to put it here. Right? And this set comes with a few things. Right? It comes with a mass which is 10 gram, 5 gram, and 2 gram. Then this rectangular block which is about 1.2 gram, 2 of them. Then we have 4 of this, about 0.6 gram. Then we have other shapes like a ball, a cylinder, and a cone. Right? So we can balance it to show who is heavier. This one, let's say we don't know what is it. Right, we don't know the mass. Then here comes a 2 gram mass. Okay, we can find that this is lower than 2 gram because this is 2 gram. 2 gram went down, but that means this is lighter than 2 gram. We can also keep on adding maybe 5 gram here. Then we keep adding mass. Keep adding mass. Right, until it balance, to show that one of this 5 gram is almost equivalent to this amount of mass. Okay.